Good morning, mathematicians. Today we're going to use an open number line to count back to subtract three-digit numbers. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Marcus had 306 stickers. He gave 211 stickers to Juan. How many stickers does Marcus have left? Use the open number line to solve the problem. So we have 306 that Marcus started with, and he gave 211 stickers away. So we know we need to subtract. Use the open number line to subtract. Please pause your video and turn it back on when you finish trying to complete it. Okay, so we had 306 take away 211. So I'm going to use my open number line to show you how I subtracted. So I started my open number line all the way to the right, and I have 306, and I know I need to take away 200s, 110, 111. So I need to take away 200, and 306 take away 200 is 106. Now I need to take away 11. Now, I have 106 here. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take away 6 to get 2 zeros. And then I'm going to subtract 5 more, which gives me 95. So 306 take away 211 equals 95. And now I'm going to check that I subtracted everything I needed to. 200 plus 6 plus 5 equals 211. I'm also going to check my work. I'm taking the difference that we found and I'm adding it to the subtrahend. 5 plus 1 is 6. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 306 matches. So using an open number line, one way is to count back by jumps of your hundreds, your tens, and your ones. We're starting the 760 all the way to the right. And the reason why we start to the right is because numbers increase when you move from the left, moving to the right. The numbers decrease when you go from the right to the left. So let's subtract this. So we have 341. So I know I need to subtract 300 plus 40, and then I also need to subtract that 1. So I'm going to start with my hundreds. I can do 100, 100, and 100, but it's pretty easy. 7 take away 3 equals 4. So I'm going to take away my 300, and I know my answer is going to be 460. Now I need to subtract my tens. So I need to subtract 4 tens from 6. So 6 take away 4 we know is 2. So now we have 420. And now I need to subtract my 1. 420 take away 1 equals 419. So 760 take away 341 equals 419. But I'm going to check my work. I'm taking my answer that we just found, and I'm going to add it back to the subtrahend. The number we subtracted. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 70. So it matches. 760 matches 760. Look at page 644. Let's look at how they solve this problem. 425 take away 115. Once again, they started to the left, the 425. They subtracted 100 to get 325. They subtracted the 10 to get 315. And they subtracted the 5 to get 310. Look at it carefully. We know that they subtracted the right amount because 100 plus 10 plus 5 equals 115. We could even check to make sure that they did it right. We're going to add it back in. And we have 5, 2, 4, 425. Now you try it. 693 take away 218. I'll help you get started. We're starting to the right side. We need to take away 200, 10, and 8. Pause the video. When you're ready, turn it back on. So 693 take away 200. So 6 take away 2 equals 493. And I finished that. Now I need to take away 10. And now I have 483. And now I need to take away 8. But I have 3 here. It's hard to take away 8 from 3. So what I'm going to first do is I'm going to take away 3. And I'm up to 480 now. And now I'm going to take away 5 more. 480 take away 5 equals 475. I'm going to check my work to make sure it's correct. 218 plus 475 . 8 plus 5 is 13. 7 plus 1 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 4 is 6. Here's 435 take away 172. Try it yourself. Put the video on pause. Okay, to solve this, once again, we start with 435. And now I need to subtract 100. So 435 take away 100 equals 335. Now I need to subtract 70. But I have only 30 here. So first I'm going to subtract the 30. So 335 take away 35 equals 305. Now I'm going to subtract 10. And 305 take away 5 equals 295. And now I only have 40 so far. But now I could do 30. Take away 30. And 295 take away 30 equals 265. And now I could subtract 2 more. That's 263. So now I'm going to check my work. First, I'm making sure I subtracted 172. I have 100 plus 30 is 130, plus 10, 140, plus 30, 170, plus another 2 is 172. 263 plus 172, checking my work. 5, 3, 4. I like to check my work by adding it back. You could also check your work by subtracting a different way. Solve counting back on an open number line. That's how you're solving all of these problems. You can check your work using a different subtraction strategy, such as the old-fashioned way or compensation. But the main way you're doing it is using the open number line. On page 645, you're going to complete 3, 5, and 7. On page 646, you're going to do it all. Check your work. I'll see you at 10 o'clock, hopefully.